Hey, I'm Fish. See the title? Read the description? Watch the vid? Choose to hit the subscribe button? Show a like. All up to you. This is almost a perfect walking stick. Oh, you got something to say about it? Here, catch. Somebody out there had said to me, take the stick and throw it right to the camera. Well, again, you want to know the love and the hate? I'd be more than happy to share that to you. We call this the love and hate relationship. Now, with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, I can't pause my recording, even with the remote control. And I can't go back in the video and edit out the part I just made and had to come back and grab the stick and said something I gonna regret. So the things I love and hate about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 are the things I love and hate about a camera. You don't have to agree or disagree. These are my thoughts out loud to the camera that I share to the world, that works for me or doesn't work for me. And you'll see people out there that are die-hard fans of a product. Well, I'm not a die-hard fan of DJI or Insta or the Cannondale or this stick. Yeah, I hit you all right. Maybe one person gets what I'm doing with the stick, because this is YouTube. Sticks and stones. Yeah, you heard the old saying, the oath sayings, right? I'm not gonna say no more. You hit the on button, you're here. Gotta be a reason why. Now you're wondering why I'm looking that way. And he's right by the tree over there in the yellow. And this is what you get. All this noise, pollution. He's up there making that noise, man. He's woke up too. Well, maybe I could throw this stick out of here. I don't want it no more. And do a little slow motion for you. I forget I got 4K, 120 frames per second. I think I let my steam off. I think one of them understands what I said. Well, I was going to, and that's why I did what and that, you know what? I'm gonna go throw my stick and set you up. I'm freezing my butt off and I'm not going to ride my bike, and I was gonna ride somewhere else, and here's my stick. I broke the tip when I threw it back at you, man. Woohoo! Yeah. You got a camera, and you can't have fun by doing things, and I can't help you out no more. Well, I did what I wanted to do, did what I wanted to share, do what I'm going to do right now, and throw my stick the furthest I can out of this park. The sun is coming up. Maybe it'll be in your eyes. I miss the days we used to play. Yes, indeed. Well, those are the days. Well, cameras, share story. And it doesn't matter what camera you have to share the story. Well, on that note, I'm Fish. And I am out of here.